What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable screen mirroring on your iPhone. First, if you're currently mirroring your screen, you can stop it by opening the control center. Just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Look for the screen mirroring icon and tap on it. You should then see the option that says Stop Screen Mirroring. Tap on that, and your screen sharing will end right away. If you want to disable screen mirroring permanently, so your iPhone will never automatically mirror again, head to the Settings app and scroll down to General. From there, select AirPlay and Continuity. You will see an option called Automatically AirPlay. Set that to Never, and you won't have to worry about accidental screen mirroring connections anymore. If these options look different on your device, or if the setting isn't showing up, make sure to update your iOS. You can do that by returning to your settings, selecting General, and tapping on Software Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest version of iOS, and then check your AirPlay and Continuity settings again. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.